Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is Hootmoney here with another video for you guys today. Today we're going to be talking about Progenity stock, or PROG. It looks like we are still looking solid. A little bit of consolidation today, but nothing to be worried about. If anything, there was even more confirmation that the trend is looking to reverse. So it is looking pretty good overall for Progenity stock. And if we look at the chart right here, you guys can see we have this 50-hour moving average, which again, guys, just to remind everyone, we were using this as a bit of a resistance point on the way down and using this little line as a support level. Whoops, I moved that real quick. But yeah, it just was laddering down through this support level and this resistance point. Now, we broke out of this 2 days ago. We broke out of the 50 moving average, right? And now we have used it at multiple points as a support level. So this is the confirmation that I have been looking for in terms of what Progenity is going to be doing. So I think it's safe to say, although we're not breaking out to new all-time highs and there's probably less volatility overall, I think we did find at least a short-term bottom. I think it's going to be hard for Progenity to really get under $2 a share. So if you were looking to load up on Progenity, I mean, now could possibly be the time. I can't promise you that it stays above this 50, but it does seem like it does want to hold and it does not want to fall. So that is pretty good on Progenity. There was nothing new in terms of the news. Next week we do have 12/17, so there's decent amount of options on this option chain, but there should be a lot more options here on this 12/17 options chain. So perhaps this is the calm before the storm. Next week we get another little PROG week out of this. I mean, there's 15,000 in open interest at the 3 right there, 10,000 at the 3.5, 15,000 at the 4. So it could get a little spicy, a little interesting as of next week in Progenity, just based off of this. Anyways, guys, there's a Christmas promotion for Moomoo right now. We've talked about it before, so I won't dwell on this, but they're giving away Oculus Quest 2s, iPhone 13 Pros, and shares of GoPro each and every single day on the Moomoo platform, and this is how you sign up right here. They're doing this on top of their already amazing brokerage promotion. You just open an account, you get up to $3,500 in free stock. You deposit $1 on their platform, you get another stock valued up to $3,500. So if you just make an account, deposit $1, you can get up to $7,000 in free stock. So that's pretty good right there. Then you deposit $2,000. This is their wild card, a little bit more, but you get an additional 3 free stocks valued up to $3,500 each. So that in total is up to $17,500 in free stock. By far the best brokerage promotion that I've ever seen, right? Moving into market Cipher right here, you guys can see on the daily chart, Progenity is looking phenomenal. They just got a little green means go as of today, which is confirming essentially that we should be seeing some upward momentum. Also, the VWAP is about to cross over this big yellow, right? Saying that we deferred from the VWAP. It's about to cross over into green. So this is essentially the perfect time to make an entry into Progenity when the VWAP is crossing over, when you have green money flow and the wave is coming down. It was confirmed by this green dot signal right there. So on the daily chart, Progenity is looking absolutely fantastic. And again, guys, it really just looks like we did find a bottom in Progenity. And if market Cipher is right here, we do move up from here. And that would be aligning with that 12/17 expiration next week, which that's pretty good. That's pretty good overall. So I think I like how this is looking. 12-hour chart, again, we did get this buy signal right here, guys, on December 6th, just 2 days ago. And look, we've moved up since there. So the average price on that day looks like it was around 250. We're at 276 right now. Absolutely phenomenal with that buy signal. Again, the last one that they gave was all the way over there in August, right? So it's looking good. It's looking good in terms of the technicals. Moving down to the 4-hour chart, we got a bunch of different buy signals right here. It's still very red money flow there. 12-hour I did not check. Yeah, it's still red money flow on the 12-hour as well. So there's probably a bit more consolidation before we do come up, but still daily chart was looking so incredible. It's just these lower time frames that are still looking a little suspicious. We're catching it on a crossover in the momentum. So it's official on this 4-hour chart. The momentum has actually gone to the upside, right? So we're looking good in terms of that. Hourly chart, you guys can see this actually gives a little short signal right here because you're getting a big blue wave, right, and then a smaller blue wave. So that is a bit of a bearish sign for market Cipher, right, when these are decreasing, the blue waves right there. But on the bright side, this red money flow that's been pretty red money flow for a while looks like it's finally calming down, right? It's gonna go to the upside. So overall, Progenity is definitely looking a bit better on the technicals than it has been in the past, especially when we're looking at this daily chart. And again, guys, there's a 15% coupon code for market Cipher in the description. I know a few people were asking about that. Getting into the short squeeze leaderboard, Progenity is on this list. No longer a threshold security. There's no T on this list right here, so it's still pretty good. It got demoted to 54 though. It moved up a little bit, but it got demoted. I'm not really expecting too much of a short squeeze at this point. It still has decent short squeeze statistics right here. 42% cost to borrow, 11 million shares currently being shorted, and then 100% utilization, but it is not as good as it once was, and there are definitely a few other stocks that probably have a better chance of a short squeeze at this point, but it's still good. It's still good. Moving into Fintel, about 1.3 million shares available to be shorted, 38% cost to borrow, so it has moved down here on Fintel. And again, guys, the combined short volume ratio is extremely high. Yesterday, it was at 55%, which is the highest that we've seen in a while now. We still don't have any new failure to delivers data, so let's just jump into the whale flow right here. You guys can see it was very bullish. Look at this 30K premium sweep that we got here at 1042. That's the biggest bet that I've seen on Progenity in a decent bit. It was a 2.5 strike price call option expiring in January of 2022. So that is looking bullish. The whale flow was 80% bullish as of today. Not high volume though, not high volume at all. Bulls are going for that January 21st, 2022. Bears are going for the 12.17. Bulls are going for the 2.5 strike price. Bears are going more deep in the money there at the $4 strike price. Moving into the historical flow, you guys can see we're still at a very low point, which is again ties into my theory that it's just going to be a lot less exciting, a lot less volatile from here on out until we get some news, most likely, until there's really a catalyst. Beforehand, there was that short squeeze catalyst, right? And now the short squeeze is not looking as strong, so there's money going to other short squeeze candidates. But even though it is not too much call option volume, it is still a pretty bullish flow. We saw the whale flow was 80% bullish as of today. The biggest option trades from today were two selling of call options. So one was a 2024 call option, another one was a 2023 call option right here. Both of them were selling of those call options, so people were taking profits off of that. The rest of them were buying call options, selling a put, more buying of call options, and then two low premium selling of call options. But the biggest ones of today were definitely very interesting, selling of those call options. Moving down here, you guys can see still no dark pool volume. I think this is just incorrect at this point. I'm not banking on it being anything crazy, but yeah, I think unusual whales slacking off a little bit. Anyways, guys, that's about it for the analysis. I really do think that Progenity is an amazing long-term hold. It's not going to be as volatile from here on out, but if you did want to get into this for the long term, it might be a good time to start averaging back into this thing. No need to go all in at once, no need to just YOLO your mortgage, but if you just average into this thing over the next few weeks or so, I think it could be a very good move. But again, not financial advice. We also have 12.17 next week. That's going to be a lot of fun, plenty of open interest in some of those out of the money call options. So there could be a potential Gamma Squeeze part 2, Prog Week part 2. It could be good. It could be really good. So I'm excited for that. Anyways, guys, drop a like on the video if you guys enjoyed today. Subscribe to the channel for more content. Hit that post notification bell down below. The first link in the description is my cryptocurrency channel. I encourage you guys all, if you guys want to learn about cryptocurrency, want to learn about the vast landscape of opportunity, you should go check out that channel. I will be uploading there each and every single day as well. So, guys, just do it. Just do it. Just do it. And I'm going to be talking about in-depth things on cryptocurrency. I'm not going to be just saying this is where Bitcoin's going to go. This is my Bitcoin price prediction. I'm going to be talking about technology, where this space is heading, why there are massive opportunities in this space compared to other asset classes, how you can get in early on some projects before they actually take off. It's all worth it, guys. Hootmoney Crypto, first link below in the description. Definitely go check that out. Anyways, guys, that's about it. I will be seeing you guys next time. Have a wonderful day. Peace.